Hey, I'm Kiko, adventurer, speed champion, future Sunnybrook Forest. Okay, maybe I haven't officially won a trophy yet, but that's just because nobody has given me one.
I'm fast, I'm fearless, I'm curious, and I absolutely love an event happening. I'm there. If there's food, please save me a piece. Hi, I'm Luma, and yes, I'm tiny. But before you start thinking, aw, she's just a little bug, let me stop you right there. I may be small enough to fit on a leaf, but I've got a glow big enough to light up a whole tree. I'm a firefly, which means everyone else is looking for the moon. I'm busy making my own little light show. Whoosh!
Name's Bruno. Bruno the bear. He's huge. And before you ask, no, I'm not angry. Apparently, I look like I'm about to argue with a tree. A pretty quiet fellow. An announcement when I help someone. If someone needs help, you help them. Simple. Some think I'm scary because I'm big. They don't see what's underneath.
I'm Pip, and I'm Pop, and we're the birds in Sunnybrook Forest. Excuse me? Well, I'm the funny one. I make everybody still counts. We're twin brothers, best friends, and professional troublemakers. Wait, we're not troublemakers. Right, we're adventure experts. Exactly.